Today we feature the Maxpedition Fliegerduffel Adventure Bag. The Fliegerduffel meets FAA requirements for carry-on luggage. It has heavy-duty drag handles on each end, a double-strap padded carry handle on top, and a deep zippered pocket beneath for extra storage. There are 2 points of modular webbing for accessories on the top compartment, as well as on the sides. Unclipping 2 of the 4 compression straps gives access to a large zippered pocket with 2 mesh slip pockets inside. This feature is mirrored on the other side. The main compartment is accessed with lockable dual zippers. Opening this reveals 2 zippered mesh pockets on the inside lid, both filled with a soft lining. The main compartment is a large open storage space with plenty of padding. There is a built-in retention strap for additional gear security. Another carry option is the removable, adjustable tactical shoulder sling with 2-inch pad and attachment points. And one of the most interesting and innovative features of this bag, the awesome hidden backpack straps in the zippered back compartment, which can double as a storage for hydration bladder. The backpack straps come complete with elastic attachment points, sternum strap, and clips for simple attachment to 2 D-rings. This is the Maxpedition Fliegerduffel Adventure Bag.
Natural disasters happen all around the world, and when they do, they often leave people displaced, injured, and without access to safe drinking water. At Vinovate, we've developed a solution, and it's called the PuriBag. It's a simple, low-cost, all-inclusive, and easy-to-use system to capture, treat, and store water. The PuriBag provides the end user with independence immediately following an event, whilst lessening the burden on humanitarian aid agencies. PuriBag is filled through the open end of the vessel, capturing up to 10 litres of water from any non-potable freshwater source. When the bag has been filled, the PNG Pure Treatment Sachet is added and the bag is sealed using the provided sealing rod. Once the sachet has been added and the bag has been sealed, the PuriBag is then gently agitated for 2 to 4 minutes, ensuring the correct mixing of the treatment powder. Following agitation, the PuriBag is then hung from any tree branch, hook or area where the bag can rest for 30 minutes, allowing the waste material to settle in the bottom of the bag. The deployment of water after a disaster is of critical importance, with instances of waterborne disease often leading to outbreaks and illness on a mass scale. Traditionally, first responders have freighted in bottled water, which is heavy, expensive, and impractical to transport. The Vinovate PuriBag can be pre-positioned in high-risk areas and airdropped for use in the minutes, hours, and days following an event. The bag requires minimal instruction and can provide users with 150 litres of water. Once the heavy material has settled, this is where the PuriBag shines. Unlike any other water treatment bag available, PuriBag allows the end user to remove the contaminated matter through a simple twist and lock process, thus removing the risk of recontamination. Using the indicated marker, the bag is twisted and locked off with the provided clip. This essentially separates the bag into 2 chambers, with the waste material separated at the bottom. Once separated, by simply pulling the bottom slide, the user is able to remove the waste material from the bottom chamber of the bag. By resealing after the removal of the waste material, the upper lock can be removed and once again the bag is one complete unit. Removing all of the waste material ensures that the PuriBag can be carried and the water stored for a prolonged period of time without the risk of recontamination. Safe drinking water is one of the highest priorities immediately following a natural disaster or emergency event. It is our goal at Vinovate to provide a safe, easy-to-use method of water treatment, purification and storage for all of those affected. The Vinovate PuriBag, helping to provide safe drinking water where and when it is needed most.
Welcome to resqme. I'm going to demonstrate how to use the resqme seatbelt cutter and window breaker. The resqme tool will help you get out of your car during a vehicle emergency. To use the tool, pull it from its clip, and then if your seatbelt is jammed, you can slice it diagonally, like so. If you're going to test the window breaker, I recommend that you wear gloves as well as goggles. Direct the head of the tool to the front corner of your window and press to release the spike that'll break your window. The spike reloads itself automatically, so you can use it again. Be sure to store your resqme tool on your keychain or in your car somewhere that is visible and within reach for when seconds count. Thanks for watching.